Welcome to Email Word Classroom. By now, you already know what Email Word is, but if you don't know, Email Word application help you collect email addresses and phone numbers of your target client, any social media platforms and anywhere in the world. And this work perfect for B2B, for agencies, service providers, and small business owners. If you are lacking lead, this application is going to help you out. And let's dive in. I'm going to take you step by step to show you all the features this application have, and that will help you when it comes to scraping lead on internet. Let's start with country options. You can see here engine search. This shows you can choose any countries, you can target any specific location when scraping leads on internet. After that, we have language. Language also enable you to choose any language. If you're not English speaking, you can find your language on the checkbox. Just tick it and you're good to go. Maximum and delay thread, those things, leave it at default. We set it in a way that you are not going to be have any problem when using email word application. Use this two feature: delay, maximum, and thread. Use default, leave it as it is. Next great option here is proxy. Okay, proxy help you to scrape data without any website trying to push you out or asking you to verify I'm not a robot, which is popular known for web scrapers. But if you are new, don't worry, you are getting there how it works. I'm going to show you maybe in next lesson. After that, we have social network. Social network allow you to scrape data in all social platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. You also give you access to scrape any specific website by clicking add. You have to write the website domain and website name. Let me give you an example. You can write alibaba.com and alibaba.com title and inside. The title is the name and the domain is inside box. When you finish, just click OK. Scroll down, you're going to find a specific website you add on the list to scrape email when you're trying to scrape email. Let's move on to email domains. So email domains will give you two unique feature: business email addresses or personal email addresses. However, we advise and recommend using personal lead because reaching individuals or reaching out people you want to work with persona on their personal email addresses is the best way to communicate with them fast. Most of us in business have assistants, mean we don't have access to the main email addresses you think that your target clients hold. Leave it at default on persona, and then you can delete all the default email addresses. If you don't love Gmail, you delete it. If you don't love Outlook, if you want business email or Office 365 email addresses, there's a way to do that. And when we start extracting email in next lesson, I'm going to show you how you can dominate that to scrape quality business email addresses, private email addresses, but they are business email addresses. And then move on to keyword. Keyword is when you communicate your problem or your target to this machine, telling the machine, hey, this is who I am, this is people I'm searching for. Let's say you are searching for decision makers in the company, maybe you are CEO, CFO, but that is just random keyword. So before you finish these lessons, you are going to learn how to use keyword to communicate your problems and targets to the system. And I'm also going to teach you how to include ChatGPT or OpenAI, any OpenAI that you would like to use to generate prompt. And this application is going to help you get specific and accurate lead of people you are targeting. Before you finish this lesson, you're always going to say it, and how I scrape data. We review the data we scrape to see if it's accurate or what we want or not, and that will help you in a way to write keyword that will get you in front of your target clients. Okay, we have start button where you start after loading keyword and email addresses and selecting your social media platforms. We have pause, and in this pause you have two buttons there. The tiny buttons is where you can reset the machine if you want to change directory. If you don't, the keyword you load, you change keyword, change domains, then you need to reset so that the system will continue with your right directory, the new directory. We have a Google Map. Google Map here is an attached application on this application as well. That is a double application. This application is 2-in-1. Normal scraping, Google Map. Google Map allow you to scrape mainly mobile phone numbers of your local businesses in any location of your choice or your target. Any location you're targeting, you can include it on the keyword and click start. Then you scrape phone numbers You can also tick email. If you want email, you can tick email. That will help you to script email as well. So another thing is the proxy. The proxy in that side, we have two proxy, top and down. The top one here allow you to enable proxy in scripting. The down one is where you load the proxy. So if you click this down one, it's going to pop you up to load proxy, which you can load proxy. Right click to import your proxy wherever you install it on Notepad or Excel. So load the proxy. All you have to do is click proxy. When the page pop up on the top left side, right click, and all the option is going to pop up, clear and import. Click import. So now you can import your proxy wherever you save it on your Notepad if you attempt to use proxy to script, which I'm going to show you when you are trying to script data. When you finish, we have a start button to verify the proxy to see if it's dead or alive to use to script data. I'm going to show you how that works in lessons. When you start, just stay with me, don't go anywhere. Any video you skip can cause you coming back to learn from scratch. After you save the proxy, after you verify, remove fade one, and now save and exit. Do not skip any video. They're all important for you to learn. We have export. Export have two options. You can export here as Excel, but if you want CSV file or HTML, right click on the center of the screen and the more option is going to pop up telling you to export. Now we know all the features. See me in next video. Let's script our first lead, accurate lead, and that will help you master all these features and how to use it for your business. See you in next video.